Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is Auntie Kerry's kitchen. So today we are going to be cooking beans. So let's get started. But first of all, I'll walk you through all the ingredients I will be using. In here I have the beans. It's been boiled already. Here I have salt, the oil that we'll be using. Here is crayfish. Magi, we'll be using 2 cubes of magi. Here we have the ground white pepper. Here we have chopped onion. Here we have basil, 1 stalk of basil. We have celery here. Right here is celery. We have small leeks, and in here we have tomatoes. I'll be using 5 tomatoes, even though there are 6 of them here, but we are going to be using 5 tomatoes. Right here I have my pepper, have my ginger already ground, have my garlics right here. So I'll be blending the tomatoes. Put it in the blender, cut it up and put in the blender and blend. I did not use either meat or fish in cooking these beans, but if you want to use it, it's up to you. I like to blend everything together. Everything has been washed. In a pot, add the oil, add the onion and stir fry. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the tomatoes and all the other blended spices. Stir, stir, stir. See how it's cooking so nicely. Stir occasionally, making sure it doesn't burn. Cook it until all the water dries out, all the oil floats on top of the tomatoes. That's how you know the tomato is ready. Add the ginger and the garlics, the ground white pepper, salt, magi. I'm adding my magi right now. Mix them together. See how beautiful it looks. This is my crayfish. Stir to combine. In goes our almighty red kidney beans. Guys, I didn't tell you I'm using red kidney beans. I put 2 cups of water to cook these beans. I don't like my beans to be so watery, but if you want your beans to be watery, you can add more water. Cover and let it simmer. Look how beautiful it is. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. It's time to serve. Bring your plates, people. My people, bring your plates. I'll be enjoying these beans with plantain. Then for the leftover, I will use it to eat puff puff and beans. Look at how beautiful it looks. So delicious. So delicious. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.